Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Jim's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. And we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. Now, there is no keys to this unit, so we want to remove the locks. And we want to locate a T key. And Jim's just going to use the T key to access into this payphone. He does not need keys or locks. Now, we also want to troubleshoot the security handset cable. We want to make sure that that's usable and that it's good. We want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive for the handset. The issue is the caps are epoxied on this handset, so we need to remove the caps so that we can troubleshoot the transmitter and receiver. We also want to go through the hook switch. And when we gain access into this unit, there's probably going to be programmable PC boards. They're going to have to be removed, and we need to build up our tone generator circuits. We're also going to go through the keypad. That's probably just a momentary switch situation, and we'll have to wire that keypad into our circuits that we're going to build up. Now, if this payphone does not have a bell in it, we will need to install a bell and a bell circuit. We know that there's some change in this unit. We can hear it rattling around inside the payphone. We also want to install a modular port so that Jim can simply walk up to this payphone with any length, any color line cord, plug right into the modular port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now we want to replace the top sign. It's in bad condition, and we're going to replace that with something very similar to what's in the unit now. It has a cool bottom sign, and we're going to go ahead and leave that in the unit. We're also going to make sure that all the change is falling through the coin validator down into the vault area. We're going to do some still pictures of this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool single slot payphone. and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any kind of a electrical hum or static, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. It is pretty quiet today. Now what we can do is go ahead and put some change in this unit. We'll use a quarter. We'll do a dime, a nickel, one more quarter, one more dime, and one last nickel. We'll go ahead and use our T key, open up our vault area. We have our cash box. Jim's getting rich with bubblegum money. Go ahead and put our cash box back in. Put our vault door back on. Now what we can do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, and we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We'll walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now when we gained access into this unit, this payphone did not have a bell, so we had to install a bell and a bell circuit. We're going to do a still picture of our modular line port that was installed so that you can simply walk up to this payphone, bring in any length, any color line cord that you choose, plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, November 20th. The current time, 11:36 p.m. and the temperature, 50 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Jim and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.